Welcome. If you've ever wanted to stop Messenger calls from being disruptive, but still want to be notified when someone is trying to reach you, then silent notifications are the perfect solution. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable silent notifications for calls on Messenger, so you can stay connected without the loud interruptions. First, open your phone and go straight to the settings menu. This is where all the essential controls are located for managing your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your device, making it easy to adjust individual settings. From there, find and select Messenger. Since Messenger is the app that handles your chats and calls, this is the one we'll customize for a quieter experience. Once you open Messenger's settings page, tap on Notifications. This menu gives you full control over how Messenger alerts you, whether that's with sound, vibration, or silence. Now, you'll see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on this to dive deeper into the specific types of alerts Messenger can send. It separates chat messages, group notifications, and of course, calls, giving you control over each one. Within the notification categories, look for calls and select it. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to fine-tune exactly how Messenger handles incoming call alerts. Finally, choose Silent. By selecting this option, your phone won't make any sound when a Messenger call comes in, but you'll still receive a notification on your screen. This way, you won't miss important calls, but you also won't be disturbed by the ringtone. And that's it. Quick and simple. With these steps, you can now enjoy Messenger without worrying about sudden loud notifications. Silent notifications are especially helpful if you're at work, studying, or just want some peace without completely turning off alerts. If this was helpful, consider applying the same method to other apps where calls or alerts tend to get distracting. Thanks for watching.